Hey everyone, this is Saucy, the Towboat chef. Seems I screwed up on that last series. Everything else recorded for that meal did record. Big blooper. Anyways, so I'm going to continue on for the last meal of the day. See what happens when I go country or southern? Instead of just being the regular Saucy the Towboat chef, I really screw up. Does that mean something about you southerners? No, I'm only kidding. Don't browbeat me here. Anyways, let's continue on to the next series, okay? I do apologize. I got the end result though, but I don't know what happened to the freaking whole middle of it. I'm searching for the video, and I'm going, what did I do? The only thing I can think of, I didn't hit record. Alright, as I said, let's continue on to the next video. See you in a bit. Howdy, y'all. This is farmer. This is southern. This is country. Okay, well, this is Saucy the Towboat chef. I'm trying to be all country today, you know. They ain't got a straw. What are those wheat straws? I got a spaghetti. Does that work? Anyways, today is all country day. I'm going to show you what I do to make ham hocks and beans. So stay with me. It only takes a few moments, and I'll show you what I do. Alright, be right back. Guess what, folks? We're shaking, we're rocking, we're rattling, and we're rolling. Getting ready to go down the river. Whoops, let me turn down this radio back here. So, I'll show you how I really work when it happens like this. So bear with the shaking, all right? What we have here is we have two big ham hocks. Beans have been soaked. These are the Great Northern beans. Or no, I'm sorry, these are the navy beans that I've been soaking all night long. After I soak them, I rinse them, I put them back in, and I will put this much water above them along with the ham hocks. Then I get all these diced onions, put in here. Now, I'm trying again this Louisiana spices, Cajun spices that insane chef had put in. I gave away at Lolapalooza. So here we go again. Don't want to put too much because some people don't like all the spice. I'm yelling so you can hear me above these engines and all this shaking. See? I told you this is Towboat style. Some pepper. Let's go the other way. Pepper. I'm using Himalayan pink salt. There we go. The captain loves this stuff. Oh, something fell over there. Let me see if the camera's still facing this way. Oh, it moved. There we go. Then I cook it for approximately 8 hours on low over there in the crock pot. So I'll see you in 8 hours for this one. And then I'll show you what else I make with it. Be right back. Hold on. Okay, there these things I can make my voice jiggle too. Just like it, that's what the whole boat is. Now I told y'all, towboat style. So y'all gotta bear with it. I'm used to it. I've fallen asleep in this, and I sleep in a deep sleep. So this is so much fun. So it jiggles your whole insides too. This is when we have to back up away from the bank. Okay? Alright. So I'll be back in a few, and I'll show you the rest. Well, it looks like the ham hocks and beans are done, so let me show you what I do to get all this done. I got two pinchers here. I believe they're called, what are they called? Begins with a T. Starts with, next letter's O. N. G. Tongs! We don't like that fat in there, even though the flavor's already been cooked all out of it, so we don't need it. We don't need the bone. We just want this meat. Put it back in the bowl, or I should say crock pot. Make sure I got all the meat off of here. That's how you know it's really done. It just falls right off the bone. Don't that look good? Let's see. Piece of meat right there. No fat there. And that one's clean. Next is this big bad boy. Look at the size of this meat, and it's so flavorful. See See, you don't even need a knife. That is what makes it special. That's all fat there. Some piece of meat there. Grab that. Whoop. No meat, that's gristle. That's bone and gristle. There's some meat. Some meat. Oh yeah, this got a lot of meat. Whoop, fat there. We got some people watching their weight. And we gotta take care of them. I know the feeling very well. Of course, then we got some guys, they'll eat anything I put in front of them. Alright, let's bring you over. Now, don't that look good? I usually mash some up a little bit, make it a little bit thick. Next thing I'm going to make is some cornbread. And then I'm going to make some fried taters with onions, green peppers, sausage. Now, I don't put them all in the pan at the same time. I cook them separately. And I'll explain why when I do that video. That video will be probably the last video of this segment. So, hold on. Be right back. Well, as you know, this is part of my Southern Comfort Food Cooking segment. I want to thank you all for watching my videos. If you're a new subscriber, please click on subscribe. Click that thumbs up. And also click like on it. Of course, that's what the thumbs up is. I meant click on the bell so you get notified. Oh, big bloopers. I'm tired. It's a long day. Alright. Leave a comment. That's it. Be nice. Be kind. Alright. You all have an awesome, awesome day. See you in the next video.